To identify flanges, their specifications are permanently marked on them. This marking, typically found on the outer periphery of the flange, includes the following information. The first and most important element is the nominal size of the flange, usually expressed in inches, or in some cases as the nominal diameter, dn. This size corresponds to the nominal pipe size, nps, of the pipe to which the flange is connected. Immediately following the flange size, the pressure class or, in some contexts, the schedule rating is indicated. This class represents the maximum allowable pressure the flange can withstand at specified temperatures, as defined by ASME or other relevant standards. According to ASME B16.5, the standard pressure classes include Class 150, 300, 600, 900, 1500, and 2500. Next is the flange-facing type, which defines the sealing surface used for connection. Common types include RF, raised face, FF, flat face, and RTJ, ring-type joint, each suited for different sealing and gasket applications. Another critical marking is the material grade of the flange. This is typically indicated using standardized codes such as ASTM A105 for carbon steel or ASTM A182F316 for stainless steel. The material designation helps determine the flange's mechanical strength and resistance to corrosion, which are essential in various industrial environments. You may also see a heat treatment code, such as N for normalized or QNT for quenched and tempered. These codes indicate the thermal processes applied to enhance the mechanical properties and performance of the flange. The markings also include the dimensional standard, for example, ASME B16.5, which ensures that the flange has been manufactured in accordance with globally recognized design and dimensional criteria. Each flange will have a unique heat number or batch number, linking it to its Material Test Certificate, MTC, and full manufacturing records, enabling complete traceability. Finally, a serial number and the manufacturer's name or logo are included. These provide accountability and allow the flange to be traced through all stages of quality control and inspection. In some cases, the manufacturer's logo appears at the beginning of the flange specifications, preceding the nominal size. All of these markings are critically important in high-risk environments like the oil and gas industry, where component failure is not an option. They ensure that every installed flange meets the required technical and safety standards for reliable, long-term service.